Welcome back, guys. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a user flow in Figma step by step. First, go to your Figma dashboard. This is where all your drafts and projects are stored. Once you're logged in, you should land there automatically. On the left side of the dashboard, look for Community and click on it. Figma has built-in templates that save a lot of time. At the top, use the search bar and type User Flow Template. You'll see several ready-to-use options. Choose the one you like and click Open. Your template will load with flowchart elements, boxes, arrows, and connectors already laid out for you. This makes it easy to map the user journey without drawing everything from scratch. Now you can start customizing. Click any box or text and rename it to fit your project. For example, Login Screen, Homepage, or Forgot Password. Edit each step so it matches how users will move through your app or website. If you make a mistake, just hit Undo. Figma makes it simple to adjust anything at any time. Once you're done, you'll have a clean, professional-looking user flow that you can easily share with teammates or developers. If this tutorial helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe for more quick and easy design tutorials. Thanks for watching.